anybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform, keep that urgently.
Vishagan, you want to speak?
As it is, this is not the agenda of public. But after losing the election one after other, the opposition are totally, they are disappointed. For the last 11 years, Modi ji government, in the name of development or welfare scheme to the people, without any hindrance, and not involving any middlemen, and there is no question of corruption. So people are being supporting throughout the country this particular government. And now there is a bankruptcy of agenda, particularly Congress and other parties. I don't know why they are more worried about this special intensive review. There is nothing but the cleanliness of the voter list.
So I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the nation in the name of SIR, sir.
I am giving you the last chance. I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild animal attack is serious.
Vice Shri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Sutia, Tea community, to grant it scheduled Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam, and they have the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting them. I like to request to grant it for these six communities of Assam. In the year 1968, in the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note Binding as a tribal community. Like Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, and Sikh community, they are generally very justified, genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request the government to grant the status of the six communities of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia, and Tea community immediately should get the tribal status, and I hope and I believe government will grant it, government will bring the bill in the present session, and this
Please conclude.
this bill will pass, and this will get treated, sir. Thank you.
Now, honorable members, on behalf of this August House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salwa Papu Silvi, Chairman of the Parliament.
पर्याप्त अवसर देता हूं, लेकिन मेरा आपसे आग्रह है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र जो दुनिया के अंदर मार्गदर्शन देता है, हमारी संसद की मर्यादा परंपरा भी
To sit all of you You please sit. I am going to call. No.
आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Let me complete. No. Let me complete. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honored guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in the special box. They are scheduled to meet, call on various dignitaries in Delhi. Besides Delhi, they will also visit Agra before their departure from India. We wish them a pleasant and fruitful stay in our country. Through them, we convey our greetings and best wishes to the members of the parliament, the government and the friendly people of Georgia. Now it is Sri Trichy Siva.
I have a point.
No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No. You have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member. No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order.
The point of order.
You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then
They are going. They are going, sir. They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing. Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the
By
house.
the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise you have to read in the...
Now house is in order. Tell him. बैठ जाइए. बैठ जाओ.
Allow point of order.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari. First of all, I let you come. बैठ जाइए.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start. Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir.
Sir, now they are disturbing.